This one's been a long time coming. One of my first Ma.K Studio Pro jobs was to make a demo WAVE GUSTAV for the Tokyo Model Show back in 2009 when they were first premiered. So I have history with this design right from the start. Then the first retail release was the KETZER, and that model ended up as a display piece for the studio and in issue 2 of the weathering magazine Dust. When WAVE announced the GUCKER, I paid attention. The tooling existed, but it never made it to full plastic, only as resin upgrades for the old Nitto kits, until now. GUCKER is German for looker, peeping Tom if you want to be direct about it. It's the Reconnaissance derivative of the Gustav. Same platform, same legs, same power plant, but where the Gustav is the grunt and the KETZER is Nitops, the GUCKER is eyes and ears. Force Recon. It pushes into enemy territory to watch the enemy. For years, this existed as a resin conversion or a scratch build. This plastic kit changes that. So, what are we working with? Legs, same as Gustav, KETZER, and Conrad. Shared platform, consistent lineage. Now, full top lid cover like the Gustav. Right arm is KETZER style. The back is interesting. KETZER on the lower half, Gustav on the upper, but the piece on the right is unique to the GUCKER. You also get the upgraded KETZER stealth muffler on the engine output and the KETZER loop antenna on the top hatch. The gun arm, the chest sensor package are different from the other marks. The closed armor window frames carry the ECCM sensor packages. This is where the reconnaissance roll lives in the plastic. And then there's this, a unique GUCKER pilot figure, not a repack, it's specific to this kit. Plastic color straight from the sprue is close to RLM02 grey with a hint of field grey. Classic Strahl palette before you even touch a brush. One note on variants, you cannot build a straight Gustav, KETZER or Conrad from this boxing. What you can do is make decisions with the parts included and arrange your own interpretation. There's room to work. One thing worth considering before you start building, and I've seen a lot of versions of this line already, including this kit, is the top cover. Some modelers treat it as a single armored unit and glue it and clean up the seam lines, etc. It looks good, and I'll be adding some welds, etc. on different parts of the kit, most like on the frontal electronics compartment. But back from the original Gustav project at the studio, the discussion with Yokoyama Sensei and Max Watanabe was clear. This top cover is removable. It has to be. Pilot ingress and egress. Now, these aren't real machines, and you've bought your own kit. You can do what you want with it. But if you're interested in how the studio team thought about this part of the design, that's the answer. Worth knowing before the glue comes out. Until building this one, the KETZER had been my favorite in the line. This has changed that. It has the weight of a heavy recon platform, think the Mercenary Forces raccoon suit, but Strahl, less sleek, more powerful, more chunk. Brutal in the right way. Very consistent with the lore and feeling of the faction. I'll be giving it a paint scheme to match. The GUCKER is in stock now in the Paint on Plastic store, link in the description. And if you want to see the quality of the books before you commit, I have a free studio sampler available. Sample pages from recent Workbench editions also in the description. I'll see you at the bench.